Welcome to Auto Speed Vibes. Today, we're diving into Lamborghini's latest masterpiece, the 2025 Lamborghini Temerario, a name that translates to bold and daring. And trust me, this beast lives up to its name. Lamborghini has always been about aggressive design and extreme performance, but the Temerario takes it to an entirely new level. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this isn't just another supercar, it's a revolution on wheels. The sculpted aerodynamic lines, razor-sharp LED headlights, and Y-shaped DRLs create a futuristic yet unmistakably Lamborghini look. The massive air intakes not only enhance cooling but also add to the car's menacing stance. And of course, those signature scissor doors? Absolutely breathtaking. Step to the rear, and you'll find a stunning active wing that adjusts dynamically for maximum downforce. The quad exhausts sit neatly between the aggressively styled diffuser, ensuring this machine sounds as wild as it looks. Lamborghini has also introduced a brand new set of ultra-lightweight alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires that grip the road like never before. Underneath that sharp exterior lies the real magic, the engine. The Temerario is powered by a newly developed hybrid V12, combining the raw power of a naturally aspirated engine with cutting-edge electric motors. The result? A mind-blowing 1,050 horsepower, launching this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds. Top speed? Over 220 miles per hour. This is more than just speed, it's a statement. Inside, Lamborghini has gone all out on luxury and technology. The cockpit is designed like a fighter jet, with a fully digital driver's display, a massive infotainment screen, and advanced AI-driven driving dynamics. The new generation AWD system ensures razor-sharp handling, while the active suspension adapts to every road condition, making it a dream to drive. Now, let's talk numbers. The starting price of the Lamborghini Temerario is expected to be around $700,000, and with limited production, it's already turning into a collector's dream. This car isn't just about performance, it's an ultra-exclusive status symbol, and only a lucky few will ever get to own one. So, is the 2025 Lamborghini Temerario the ultimate supercar of the future? With its groundbreaking performance, jaw-dropping design, and cutting-edge hybrid technology, it just might be. But what do you think? Would you take this over a Ferrari SF90 or a McLaren P1? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon because Auto Speed Vibes is bringing you the hottest supercar content every week. Stay tuned for more speed, style, and power. See you in the next one.